Meghalaya government will take a call on the 18th July on demand of the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association to ban vehicles from other states from ferrying tourists to Meghalaya's tourist spots. Informing this, Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that the Tourism Department along with the Home Police Department will hold a meeting on the 18th of July to review the grievances expressed by the Tourist Taxi Association. It may be mentioned that the Tourist Taxi Association on Tuesday last met Meghalaya Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh and demanded to issue an order banning vehicles of other states to tourist spots.
Given them a very patient listening, and we are meeting internally as a department along with line departments like Home Police on the 18th to assess the situation and go into the details of their grievances. Everything will be reviewed on the 18th. We will take into consideration the various pros and cons of the subject matter, and on the 18th itself, I will again brief you.
The Directorate of Arts and Culture